So my name is Philippe Nicolas. I drive the product strategy for Scality based in Paris. Scality is a storage ISV. So we build storage software aligned with the new and recent infrastructure challenges in order to address the massive scalability issues with billions of files, petabytes or even hexabytes of capacity. We develop our software to be deployed on commodity servers, so really align with the current trend of software-defined storage. The idea for us is really to build a very flexible, elastic infrastructure running on commodity servers, and we build this farm of servers exposing this very large pool of storage. So for application, it's very flexible and very easy to access through flexible APIs or just with a file interface. So what we target is essentially the unstructured data challenges for the IT companies. It could be cloud storage, it could be digital media environment, it could be high-performance computing, and even recently we announced a solution for the Hadoop world. So the fact that we can converge our platform, initially a storage platform, to also run some computing locally on every node. So from a storage historical platform, we can now run locally some job, and finally we deliver this new converged architecture. What is really needed for the company. We avoid extra cost of hardware. Finally, the server you select for your storage platform can receive some jobs, application jobs, etc. So Hadoop was our first try, and we will add some other application in the future. So our platform is dedicated for massive unstructured data. So historically, we deliver application access through HTTP REST API. We also had recently a file interface, and this is very useful to be deployed within digital media environments, something like CDN origin server cases. We recently introduced also industry standard file sharing protocol like CIFS and NFS in order to be deployed for common usage, and the platform can now be considered for more generic usage. We also introduce an HPC flavor of the product, and we recognize our product to be a pretty interesting in terms of performance. It delivers a high throughput. Everything is parallel from the application to the storage. So in this very demanding environment, when the application need to access data in parallel very fast, we can deliver from a commodity server infrastructure a very high number of throughput in terms of tens of 100 gigabytes per second. The next few months we will introduce some additional features to the product, specific features oriented for cloud storage around multi-tenant capabilities for the different use case, on-premise or purely internet deployment. So it will be released before end of the year. We will also continue to improve our file sharing protocol to deliver a very comprehensive set of access methods to the Scality ring. We will also continue our partnership with different other ISV vendor to continue the penetration and the delivery of the different use cases. And we also, it's important to say that we have two hardware OEMs, Silicon Graphics, SGI, and Penguin Computing. So if some end user prefer an appliance flavor of the product, they can ask this through our OEM. And if they prefer a pure software approach, they can select Scality ring directly to deploy on their preferred hardware. So I invite you to check very soon the Scality website and a few things on the press very soon. Now we will plan to announce very interesting news. So please visit the website, stay tuned and read the press. Thank you very much.